Hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
See, look at my
Welcome to our channel. So today's video, we're going to
Camera.
Dubai Zoo.
Dubai Zoo, yeah.
Yes, this is actually our first time also to came here.
Yes,
And this is the new zoo that they open. Okay. And here's our driver and the assistant.
Hello, everybody.
Location
GPS
navigator. So
The
we will show you there later.
The driver name is Uncle Spence and Tita Anna and Micah and Mama and me.
What's your name?
My name is Lucy.
Lucy. Hi Lucy, welcome to our channel, Lucy.
No, my name's Lucy after Haya. My name's Lucy now.
Oh yeah, okay then. So let's check it out later.
Okay.
turn right.
It will be
It said
just there.
VIP parking. I probably don't want to do that.
I think this is the only parking.
They had 3 parking lots, and I think I'm in the wrong.
And no one is parking there, so you have to park here.
Okay. Don't pick her up off the parking.
Turn right.
It's parking there.
Yeah, you should park there.
Do you want me to drop you off?
Yes.
Do you want me to drop you off and park somewhere else? Or
I'm
Drop us first.
I'm so excited.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
No, we will find the parking and then we will walk all together.
well, it's okay. You guys can get the tickets. Not that it will take more than 5
Then
seconds.
we'll
So just wait and see. I'll find you as soon as I can. Okay.
Okay then.
I
Yep.
have the one.
This is the entrance of the zoo. Let's check it out. How much the ticket?
I'm gonna see all the
And
colors
here's the
about
ticket.
The
For
animals.
child is 21 dirham and for adult is 50 to 50. It's a little bit expensive. Eh?
Mama, can I see the color of the animals?
There are no animals here.
Say hi. Welcome to Dubai Zoo.
Okay.
Good luck.
I guess you just walk.
You will walk like from here to JJ's house.
Big. So there's a kids farm behind us. I don't know if there's little things to pet. I think maybe that is a petting zoo if Kaya is interested.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. Kids farm.
I don't know if she likes to pet things or not.
Oh, we don't have a map.
Well, there's a map on your right. You won't be able to see the whole park, so I think it's pick wisely what you'd like to see.
Yeah.
Or just, maybe just
And
pick randomly.
here's
Just
the
see
map.
just go in there and see anything you want.
So where are we now?
I'm guessing we're at the entrance.
Here.
You are here.
We are here. So we will roam to Al-Wadi, African Village, Arabian Desert Safari, Asian Village, Explorer. I think we need to explore all of this then.
Explore Village. Well,
Yeah.
Oh, there's a train though.
yeah, to get around between. I mean, we've got limited time, so I think it's just maybe you just walk around and see or we can take the train around.
the weather is very nice. It's a little bit sunny, but the wind it's so cold. So amazing. But I have a curiosity of these trees. See?
That bees like that a lot. Yep.
And I think we are here on the top. Welcome to African village. Hi guys. Welcome to African village. Welcome to African village. What's that? So, Micah asking what is this? This is fun with the water. Electric fun with the water. Oh, the flamingo. Here's the flamingo.
There you go. Not all of Africa, but Africa's a big place.
Oh, careful.
Yeah. It's so hot, you know. We just like to lie down. Of course, they're lying in the sun.
This is the father of the wolf, and this is the mother. See, their ears, it's stand up when they will hear that.
African dogs, it says. Not hyenas. I don't know what the difference is, but oh, there they are. There they are, man. Look, it's walking wild. See it walking?
4, 5. There's the cheetah there. Behind them. Oh my god, it's here now.
I'm right there. In the shade.
This one is trying to escape.
Yeah, the problem for the cheetahs, they don't have too much room to run here. They love to run.
Gain weight already.
Yeah, that's it.
Aww.
Is that a boy or a girl? I didn't know.
Unless I just see his head.
Well, that's one way to tell.
Mama, she just do this.
Yeah, don't knock, otherwise they will jump on you.
No, they will not jump, Mama. I know, so. And this is a girl. This is a boy sleeping ahead.
Para siyang nakapo.
Where? Ah, yes.
They're cold-blooded, so they like the sun as much as they can. Yes.
This is the future family.
Yeah.
There is baby elephant, but don't touch.